Lace fans! Welcome back to another edition of Hijab Friday. Today we are unlocking one of today's hottest trends and bringing you a style that instantly turns you into a fashionista. We love this look because it provides great coverage on the front. And as you try out today's look, you'll find that you can play around with adjusting the length to your own comfort. We're also using our trusted Zena chiffon curved shawl. It gives you the flexibility to create beautiful drapes with little effort. Here, it's in the color Sky, a beautiful shade perfect for all seasons. Today we paired this look with a drape escape dress for a classic but modern look. So just grab one brooch, 2 pins, and we can get started. Start by placing the shawl over you, making one side longer than the other. Line the shawl comfortably around your face and join the 2 sides together below your chin with a brooch. Now, take the shorter side and move it up and around your face and pin it at the back of your head. Be careful to tidy up as you move the shawl around you so that you end up with a nice outcome. Grab the longer side now and move it across you, feeding it under the first piece, and continue to wrap it up and around your head. Once you've adjusted it to your liking, pin that piece to the side of your head near your ear. Make any final adjustments, and you're done! We love this look because it's a great way to achieve elegant drapes just by using a shawl with the perfect fabric. Our Zena chiffon curved shawl is everything you need to ensure you stay up to date with the latest trends. You have to try it. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this look and would love it if you subscribe to our videos. Make sure to leave a comment below of your thoughts and share this video with your friends. We'll see you next week for another edition of Hijab Friday.